Striving to increase workplace diversity is not an empty slogan. It's a good business decision. A series of studies shows that diverse teams are smarter. They focus more on facts and they process those facts more carefully. And they are more innovative. Diversity is key for boosting your company's joint intellectual potential. At AmaliTech, we encourage and celebrate diversity. We believe in the potential and power of diversity, the enrichment of learning from each other's perspectives, and we believe in the success of diverse teams. Our HR team aims to initiate reflection processes at AmaliTech to create and maintain a work environment that recognizes, values, reflects and discusses diversity. An environment which leads to individual satisfaction and well-being, to create a safe space and to allow constructive conversations. HR supports to kickstart those reflection processes, but we need all of you. It requires the commitment, active participation and willingness to have conversations again and again from all employees in a company, and I also invite partners, stakeholders and clients. Raising awareness about similarities and differences, leading tough conversations and reflection processes with a shared vision in mind, asking questions rather than assuming, communicating with an open mind and in a respectful manner, staying curious and eager to learn, unlearn and relearn.